In this box we have the brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 in graphite. I was a little bit impatient, which explains why the box is already open. In here you're presented with some marketing mumbo jumbo to ostensibly make the unboxing experience more special. Underneath the top flap we have some information about the nighttime capabilities of the camera. As a slight aside, I think it's pertinent to mention that I purchased the phone directly from Samsung as I wanted a SIM-free handset. Samsung do have a very generous trade-in option that allows you to trade in your old Samsung phone for up to £600 off your new device. A good option if you like to upgrade frequently and want to stick with Samsung. Pull on the tab inside to reveal the actual box for the phone. I ordered one of the online exclusives, and thus the top cover of the box represents all of the colors available if you order online. Pull the tabs to release the top cover of the box and reveal the S23 Ultra in graphite. It really does look fantastic in this color. I've always opted for the darker colors and I'm glad I didn't this time. The outer edges of the phone have a black metallic finish which isn't quite glossy, it's more of a satin finish. Other than the phone we have the usual bare bones in the form of a SIM card removal tool, documentation and a USB-C to USB-C cable. Before use, be careful to remove all of the plastic on the outside edges as well as the satisfying display peel. There are plenty of reviews for the phone, so I wanted to do something a little different. I want to show you the screen protector and case I've chosen. For the screen protector, I've opted for this 4-pack from IMB ZBK. It's a bit of a lengthy install process, but it's well worth it for the end result. The company has a really helpful instructional video, and thus I won't bore you with it here and instead show you what the phone looks like with the screen protector installed. With the screen off, you can see just how seamless it all looks. There are 2 minute air bubbles near the bottom as a result of me not being thorough enough with my dust removal. Other than that, I have no complaints. If you're installing the screen protector after you've set up the phone, re-register your fingerprints for optimal use. As for the case, I've gone for this Spigen liquid crystal case. It does a really good job in showing off the phone. Given how slim the case is, there is very little added bulk. The top and bottom edges of the case are raised to protect the display, and the sides are only slightly raised so as to not obstruct the display. The cutouts for the speakers, charging port, S Pen and cameras are super precise. The indented cutout for the S Pen is really good to see, as I've had cases, pun intended, where it's been quite painful getting the S Pen out. If you have any questions about the phone or anything I've mentioned in this short video, please do comment below. Last but not least, like, subscribe and enjoy the rest of your day.